Can you guess where we're going again?
You are most welcome. Alright?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Hey everybody, it's Mark and Lisa from the Yo-Hos. If you're new here, welcome.
And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. So join us for part 2 of our 2-part series of fixing this little house up. A little bit of a spoiler alert, though, we ran into a few snags this second episode. We resolved them, but they were just kind of a pain. So now that the majority of the prep work is done, let's get into the good stuff. Enjoy!
Yo-Hos renovation day 72.
Do you mean 172?
We went to use the range top last weekend and it wasn't working. So knowing we had to come back up this weekend, Lisa sourced one online, found one on Facebook Marketplace. We went and picked it up and now we're gonna hope it works.
How gross is this, but so satisfying, and why am I not wearing gloves? So just a little side note. Okay, see this little tool that I'm using, I got out at the dollar store. I raved about it before in previous videos, but let me just tell you, I love this little tool. I need to go get some more, and it was just from the dollar store. It's just essentially a razor blade, but well done, dollar store. Well done.
Oh! Come on, let go. Oh, guys, would you look at that? That's pretty fantastic right there. Here we go, little aerial view. Yo-Ho drone coming in. Lisa's gonna give it a little bit more of a cleaning, but not bad for $100. Thanks, Facebook Marketplace. Just had a happy resolution to one of our latest dilemmas, the washer dryer.
Yes.
So the main drive shaft, if you will, for the whole washer, or the bearing, just completely went. So when it was rotating, it was just, nothing was holding it in place. It was just rattling around.
It was so loud.
Yeah, so it doesn't work at all. Kind of a hard stop on having a place with no washer dryer. So not really sure what to do because nobody has any in stock, and everyone's ordering out until August. But one local store, they actually had one in stock. It wasn't exactly the same size, a little bit bigger, but it's good. And it's gonna get delivered. We'll have the dilemma resolved.
That'd be perfect. The perfect staging day. We'll be having it brought in. That's awesome. Tell me about it.
And so here comes the dump man to come to the rescue. Lise, this was like an industrial size Sanford and Son. It's crazy. And remember the dude?
Oh my gosh, you guys. He was like solid, and he was probably about 60. Like, good on him. He didn't even break a sweat.
Enter beast mode.
You want your belt on?
Don't keep your stuff in one spot. No wonder you can never find anything.
While Mark continued to clean the one side, or declutter, I guess, the one side of the house to prep to get the floors laid, I finished putting down the underpadding. Fun times. It was funny too, because later on I cut a piece with some scissors, and it's like butter with scissors. And here I am using the blade the entire time, an X-Acto knife, and it was not cutting very well. Figures.
Oh my god, this is so annoying.
we'd had a day of it, so we headed down to the watering hole. Pretty not too bad. The food was delicious, and we were able to have enough for lunch and snack the next day. We love our snacks.
Get the stuff out of the garage.
And back it in.
Back it up, back it in, back it in. Yep.
He's cutting wood and he doesn't want to be too loud. It's only like, I think 7 a.m.
A lot of slapping. But this flooring finally cracked the code. It was a difficult thing to figure out. Never had flooring this complicated.
Complicated, but not. It's just not what you're used to.
It wasn't
right?
what I was used to, because I'm used to just putting flooring in right up to the edge and then clicking it down. But this stuff, you have to go the opposite. I click it into the side first, and you know the instructions, the box said to put together an entire run and then click it together all at once. Like, it's just crazy. So Lisa actually found a great video that showed people installing this and gave instructions on how to do it. What you have to do is just click on that circle of the interweb, find what you need. And once you get the instructions, do what to do. Side first, and then just little taps in hand. It's a little difficult on your hand. You gotta have a little bit of hand strength to do this, but then
Wow, what a difference.
disappear, and it's perfect.
So I decided to get out of Mark's way and go thrifting. Of course I did. The neighbor had been talking about a thrift store, a very local thrift store to this house. So I had been to the one, I hadn't been to the other one. So I decided to check out what they had, and let me just tell you, oh my goodness, they had a lot of stuff. And I knew that my cousin was coming to help stage the place later on. So I just wanted to see what treasures I could find. Okay, so I went to the 2 thrift stores. This thing is a candle holder. I might put plants on it. I know, shocking. But back in the day, this is a party light, $80. I could be mistaken, but their stuff was expensive. It was beautiful, but it was expensive. So the second I walked in, I saw that. I was like, yes, $3. So then this was 99 cents. Thank you. I'll take it. Oh, another basket for, I think this was 50 cents. This was $1.50. I got this. I thought this was adorable. And a bunch of books. Another book for 75. This book for 75. And this book for 75.
Virtuous desserts.
Yeah. Look how. Okay, so here's a little trick. This was 75 cents, and I thought that's a funny book. Oh well. I really want to see what's inside. So look how beautiful that is.
Whoa.
Right? I know exactly who I'm giving it to. I'm not telling who though. I'm so excited about it though. 75 cents. And it's got some like old school recipes. And what else did I get? Oh, this. Oh, okay, there was 2 of them. And luckily I noticed when you buy glass pieces, really check the rims because sometimes they're chipped and you don't want to buy chipped ones. This was $2.99. And how cute is that? It makes my heart quite happy. That's hot. Oh shit. Nuclear. Oh dear. Well, we know the microwave really works well.
That's good.
You don't want sour cream on yours, do you?
No, I'm okay. Thanks.
More for me. Definitely gonna have trouble closing these. I love that they gave us so many peppers.
That was amazing.
Yeah, and it wasn't just the gross green ones. It was like
It was a mix.
Yeah.
It was a really good mix. Like there was green, but not overwhelmingly amounts.
Yeah, yeah. Green peppers. Sorry, because you gross.
Pretty sure they're going to the backyard next door. Aww. Oh my god, he looks so cute. We decided to just take a break for a little while, let the party happen next door so Mark didn't have to be using his saw the entire time they were trying to have a wee little get together. So we just worked a few things inside and I set up camp in the new room with the new floor. Pretty swanky, right? Well, that I understand 100% now. My feet were cold and sore and I put these little gems on and it is good to go.
Oh my god, are you taking a movie of your feet again?
No, again? No, I look like my dad.
We've talked about this.
No, you're...
Help.
Stop. But, okay, can we just take a minute and look how nice the door looks behind him?
Pretty amazing, right?
Ah, it looks so crisp and clean.
Super excellent. It's going to look great when we get the new bottoms put on.
Oh,
we're gonna
yes.
Take that whiteboard paneling. We're going to cut. We figured out, at least
Oh,
we figured
right.
out the height of all the damaged bottoms of these frames, the trim. So we're going to cut those off, all at the same height, and then we're going to put just a single stained piece of whiteboard to augment the transition between
Whoa.
the trim and the floor trim.
Yes, wow.
We had a full day of it yesterday.
We did. It got late really quickly.
It did.
What time did we stop? It was quarter after 7.
I think it was, yes. And oh my gosh, I had no idea. Last time I looked at the time, it was what, 3 o'clock?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty happy about that.
Yeah, but
we've got a good solid day here.
Famous last words. I packed up the beds. My
I
one chore's
did.
done. Check. Day 2010. Or day 15.
14? 14. Morning
Consecutively?
math.
Yeah.
Early morning math.
That's a lot.
It was a class I was in.
He's already had a coffee. Like these are extra larges. He's already had one.
It's so good.
Once I started checkerboard pattern, I can't stop it. I can't stop it. Someone with as much OCD as me will appreciate it.
I certainly do.
There you go. Touche. LOL.
BRB.
LMAO. Go look at that body.
Oh my goodness. My role is camera woman, cheerleader, snack getter, movie maker,
Snacks.
and
Editor.
drink fetcher,
Director.
editor, director,
Backseat driver.
backseat driver, jerk.
Guess what?
What?
We're ready for trim.
Finally, yay!
Oh, hello there.
Oh, it's this that I'm supposed to tighten. There.
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.